This is the Logitech MX Master 3S. In this video, you're going to see the unboxing and my initial impressions of this productivity mouse which I bought a few months ago. First, coming to the price, on the box they mentioned it as 12,495 rupees. But since I bought it during the offer period, I got it for 6,159 rupees, which is a very good price. Currently, at the time of making this video, it is priced at 9,299 rupees on Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description box and the comment section. Check there for the latest pricing and offers. I'm a left-handed person, but sadly this model doesn't have a left-handed version. So to change my muscle memory, I started using it with my right hand. Let's see how it goes. The next generation of this mouse has also been released, but during the time I purchased mine, it wasn't available. This mouse has a lot of features and customizations that we can do with the app. I'll share more details in the coming videos on how to customize it and more. One more version is also available for Mac. The only difference I observed is that it doesn't come with a dongle. It only connects via Bluetooth. Even this one supports Bluetooth. Inside the box, we get the mouse, the USB dongle, a Type-C cable for charging and some paperwork. The overall packaging is good and clean. This mouse supports up to 8K DPI, can be used on glass surfaces and more. The buttons are clicky and the scroll wheel is amazing. It is totally made up of plastic with a kind of rubberish coating all over it. I saw some reviews saying this material becomes sticky and not good after a few weeks of usage. As of now, after these many months, I haven't found this issue in my case. Overall, this is the first time in my working area where a productivity mouse is coming in. I'm happily inviting it to my workflow and I'll update you in the coming videos on how well it is doing and if I notice any issues. I use this mainly for video editing, Photoshop and normal day-to-day work. I'll make a dedicated video about this after a few weeks. So if you don't want to miss that, click that subscribe button and the bell icon next to it. So overall, the initial impressions for me is it's very good and it's like packed in a single hand with a lot of features. There is a lot of learning curve is also there to use this mouse. It's not like a normal mouse. Even though it feels and looks like normal mouse, the options, the extra settings, the gestures we have to use is completely different. That's the beauty of learning new things every single day. So yeah, thanks for watching and don't forget to check the latest offers and pricing of this Logitech MX Master 3S mouse by clicking the link in the description as well as in the comment box.